Start wiring now. Unscrew this position. Take that piece, then button this. Three zero wires are screwed on. Then connect them to the mold respectively. Tighten. Okay, the zero line is connected. Now go live. The live wire operates the same as the zero wire. Cut this in. Okay, after connecting the wire, then operate the machine. Connect the wires first. Then you can shake it yourself. Then follow the instructions in the instructions to set the temperature above. Delay time 0.6 seconds. Then heat up for 2.8 seconds. Then cool down for 3 seconds. Then heat the current for gears. Then it's okay. Turn. Then when heated, when the mold does not reach the temperature at first, to adjust the heating time to 4 seconds, then warm up. Preheat and hot press twice in a row, then feel with your hands to see if there is any heat here. When the temperature is available, adjust the heating time to 2.8 seconds. Start suppressing the product. The plastic bubble shell is placed on the bottom and the paper card is placed on the top. And now the temperature is up. It's warm. You can put the product in.